day in Kanawha County, the biggest game of the week. It was probably the closest game of the week, too. It takes us up to the river. The Herbert Hoover Huskies in Elkview taking on the Nitro Wildcats. Opening drive for Nitro, Ian Duffy under pressure. He's trying to outrun the defender, but he's going to be brought down by William Shears. Nitro is going to have to punt. That fires up the Huskies sideline. First play for Hoover, handoff up the middle to Blake Fisher, and he gets a blocking face mask there too. But that doesn't matter. He breaks a couple tackles, and he's down inside the red zone with the penalty as well. Big play for Hoover down on the goal line. Fisher's going to take the direct snap, and he gets into the end zone for the touchdown. Hoover leads at 6-0 after a missed extra point. Later in the quarter for Nitro, Duffy drops back, heaves it down the right sideline. That's the WVU commit Malachi Thompson hauling it in. Nice move, and he gets them inside the red zone. A few plays later, they'll hand it off to Takai Porter, and he's going to break through the line and gets into the end zone. That gave Nitro a 7-6 lead. This would be a defensive battle. Herbert Hoover gets the big win, a field goal with about a minute or so left. They defeat Nitro 15-14.